Here we go, another day at the dealership. Z06 still in that same spot, unsold. Back to get new parts. So $2,252 later, and we'll show you guys what all that came with at the house, because that's a big price for a little bit of parts.
What is up, guys? If you're brand new to the channel, be sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, because we got a ton of new stuff on the way. So we just got back from the dealership, ordered a few more parts. It should be in tomorrow, so we'll let you guys know what we got.
So today we're gonna head to the junkyard to get some more parts. We're gonna go see what his stock C7 has over there. We need just like some little parts, like maybe the radiator will fit, need little brackets and stuff for the fenders and headlights. So we're gonna go over there and check out what he has.
So we got our waters, we got the toolbox in the truck, and we're gonna see you guys at the junkyard.
All right, here at the junkyard, what do we got here? We're gonna open up this hood, all these little brackets for the fenders and stuff. We're gonna need little stuff. So we're gonna go under there and see what we can get out of here.
We're gonna have to clear all this up right here. Alrighty, guys, so we got the front end uncovered here. Try to pop this hood. Dang, look at this door. Ooh, we're gonna need these buttons. All right, let me try to get under there. Yes, sir, we're gonna need this intake, that. So there's only a few good pieces that we found that we're gonna actually need. Probably this little shroud here. The radiator looks busted, right?
Yeah, the radiator does not look good. Underneath, it's like hit pretty good.
Are we gonna take that stock box right there, or?
No, I'm not taking that. We're gonna buy it aftermarket.
That's what we're gonna take for now. But we're gonna go back to the house. We're gonna inspect if everything's the same. We got a better idea of what it looks like under here. So we're gonna see if this, all the lines for the radiator and stuff match up. All right, guys, so we just got back from the junkyard. We picked up a couple miscellaneous pieces there, some random pieces for a really good deal. So now moving on over here, we were inspecting if the cooling system is the same for the Z06 and the regular C7 Corvette. And we were doing some research online also, and we found out that it is, in fact, the exact same. But unfortunately, the one at the junkyard is damaged, right?
Yeah, it was damaged, so it had a crack on the bottom. So we're probably gonna get one used, probably off of eBay or something like that. Look around. Did we already order a radiator support?
Yeah, we ordered a ton of stuff actually. So we got a radiator support there.
Got the front bumper already ordered, the fenders already ordered. We got a lot of stuff coming in. You know, we're just slowly finding parts.
Got a cold air for it.
Yeah, we got a cold air coming in, because why buy a stock air box when you can just, I mean, you're gonna need one. Might as well go aftermarket, get a better one. And next thing we gotta find, we're gonna be looking for a heat exchanger, an intercooler, you know, just a few more miscellaneous parts up front. You know, we ordered the big stuff first so we can get this thing looking better, you know. And we also did order a headlight.
Yep, headlight and also the grill with the 2 cameras.
Yeah, the 2 camera system with these Z06s come with. Very expensive stuff right there, so we found a pretty good deal on one.
Well, we also need to grab the opposite end over here from the junkyard. So
yeah, we'll go there with the drill bit and drill that out. We need to order hoses for this heat exchanger. Dealer special right there.
My boy Steve been hooking us up with some good stuff.
Oh yeah, some of the best prices we ever got.
Remember we noticed something with the windshield wipers?
I think we might have cracked this, or
I don't know.
It's cracked. We're gonna need to weld it. It's aluminum. There's just like where it screws on right there. I'm gonna go ahead and remove this whole entire thing and weld it up, make it nice. But we still got a lot more work today we're gonna do. We're gonna start piecing all these little computers, all these wires, the rev limiter vacuum, I think that's what people said. We're gonna have to put that together, the fuse box, everything around there, start piecing all these wheelhouse panels that we took off. So we're gonna get this all situated.
Oh yeah, how much did you find a rotor for? We seen it online.
Oh, dealer special, one rotor, 3,500 or something for one rotor.
Oh, so 6 for both?
Yeah, six grand for both. It's like 3,500.
So you can just imagine how much the calipers are. And we also probably gonna go ahead and pop the airbag out if we get to it today.
Yeah, we need to go ahead and get that
because I did order an airbag. Man, these parts are racking up quick.
Racking up, hey, but it's a Z06.
Also did order the side skirts, the carbon fiber ones.
Oh yeah, carbon fiber side skirts. That's the ones that come with a Z07 package, because we did find out that this car does have a Z07 package on it with a Michelin Pilot Sport cup tires and the big brake system. They also had the Z07 side skirts and front splitter, but as you can see, they removed all that carbon fiberness. There's some expensive stuff. It sucks, but
how much did you find for OEM stuff?
The OEM front splitter and side skirts was like $5,400.
Dang.
It's insane.
That's too
Luckily,
much.
we found a really good deal on two for $400. Was that amount?
Yeah, $400 just for that, but we do got to find.
We still got the front splitter to find, but that ain't nothing. That's later on. But anyways, we're gonna hop on this, start piecing it together, start getting all this organized, all the wiring organized. Go ahead and weld this up, take the airbag out, put the wheels and tires on, drop it on the ground, get this thing ready to go.
Alright, so we're pulling off all of our hardware pieces and whatnot off of the old.
Gotta keep it OEM.
Yeah. If you guys don't know what OEM means, for the people that are overseas and keep asking in the comment section, it means
Original equipment manufacturer. That's what it means. It means that it's from the manufacturer. It's no aftermarket. It's the good stuff. It's the good stuff. It's the expensive stuff. A lot of people that rebuild cars usually use aftermarket parts and stuff. A lot of Taiwan parts and stuff like that, cheap parts, which I'm not saying that are bad. There's some that are good, but for a car like this, it's really hard to find aftermarket stuff like that, so you gotta always go with OEM parts from the manufacturer, from the dealership. So that's what we're doing on this car. Everything's from the dealership. You know, and it's a high-end car. When it's a rebuilt title, and people see that everything is OEM, people tend to not be scared and they love it. It's like the original manufacturer. Everything fits right, everything goes right where it should be. It's awesome stuff, but it's a price you gotta pay.
that's what came with the car, just a bunch of random bolts, which we do appreciate that.
Not random, these are from this car.
I mean, not random, but they're randomly sorted in there. So we're gonna go ahead and install this antenna.
Sits right here. Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah, it's super cool, because like, that's not a normal antenna right there. That's some sci-fi stuff right there.
And it's funny seeing it like underneath the fender, you know?
Yeah, I know, right?
Usually you see these like on the quarter panel, on the roof.
Yeah.
Inside the dash, but this one's like right here.
Now
screwed in.
Satellite. I think it's like something to do with the satellite navigation or something.
It's just a, I guess it looks like an antenna plug-in, so that's why I said antenna.
Yeah.
So that's everything for that. Now I'm gonna pull this windshield wiper. It is cracked. I want to go ahead and pull it off and weld it up.
We'll show you guys the damage as soon as we pull it off, which it should be simple to take it off.
Yeah, it looks like 3 bolts.
Nice.
Right there, and this, where's this piece at? Just like that, right there.
Should be able to just tack it in, no problem.
Yeah.
We got that aluminum welder.
Let's go do it.
Thomas, what's up, man? You're looking different, man. Getting older, getting taller, but you're still the same cool cat that I knew when I first put you on video. But yep, there's the aluminum welder, and we're ready to weld that piece together. What do you say, Thomas? Are you ready? All right, there you have it, guys. Look how good that looks. Turned out really good. So we're gonna go ahead and install that back on the car, and we'll be done with that.
You think we can install that cowl that goes right there in the windshield wipers? I think so.
Go ahead and grab it. It's over there. Just walk around. After we install that, we're probably gonna go ahead and put the wheels back on it. Yeah, go ahead and put that on.
Alright guys, now that we got all that situated, we're gonna go ahead and throw these wheels on so we can go ahead and put the car down on the ground, because I'm tired of it sitting up.
Go ahead and pull them suckers out and put them on. Slap them on the car. Drop the jack back down. And we need to find 2 more lug nuts.
We have them in there.
Oh, nice.
They're lock nuts. They took them off the car.
Very nice. Then we got the lock key here. I'm not going to show you guys what kind of lock it is. No, I'm just kidding. Some basic stuff.
The Z07 package includes these Pilot Sport cup tires right here.
We're going to have to take this sucker to the track. Alrighty guys, so we are done with the front end here as much as we could get. Next thing that we're probably going to do is jump onto the inside, try to remove that airbag.
Yeah, I definitely want to go ahead and remove that airbag and remove the seat belts also, because we're going to need to ship them out, get them repaired and whatnot.
Should we change the color on them?
No, black.
Black, I know, because they only got like red. Which that's not going to look good.
There's tan seats, so if there were black seats, I'd get red. Alright. I'm ready to race anybody who wants to race me.
Now, are we going to research this, or are we just going to have at it? We do need that button from the Junkyard right there.
Yeah.
So we're going to try to...
How do you break that?
Forehead, maybe a tooth. But dang, man, I love the Z06 right there on the seat. Man, it's just so sick. Oh, and it has the even emblem right there.
It's awesome, man.
So let's go ahead and remove that bag, or let's look it up, see what it consists of.
It has 2 holes. It looks like just like the
just like
Corvette,
the Mustang.
or looks just like the Mustang.
Do you push it in, or
push it in? Yeah. Give me the set. You know that little set of Allen wrenches.
The little set.
Yeah, with a bunch of hands. I want that. All right, so I'm gonna use this little Allen wrench right here. It's supposed to be like the Mustang. You probably just have to push it. I do feel a little bit of resistance in there. It's probably a spring, so I'm gonna push it and pull it.
Nice.
There goes one side. I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. Push it, pull it. All right, that looks like it's it.
Maybe there's one. Oh, nice.
So I just popped it out after I removed them little wires, that prongs that go in there. Now I'm gonna figure out how to remove these. They might be bad. They look like they might be melted. If they are, we can just go find some at the junkyard. Any GM vehicle should be the same.
What the heck is that?
Some kind of saver. What's up, guys? I drive a Corvette to 2017.
Is that what that? Hey, the Corvettes come with an extra beard if you ain't got one.
That's what they got. They come with this.
That's a small airbag. I didn't think it was that small, but we got one on the way. It'll be here soon. We're just gonna pop it right in, but we first got to figure out how this comes out.
Probably got to remove the steering wheel. All right, guys. So I was fooling with it. It actually pops off just on some, clips. So it pops off pretty easily. First, got to take the airbag off. You want to do this to your car if your airbag is not busted. But I'm just trying to figure out how to remove these clips in here so I can pull the whole thing off.
That should just clean right off, I'm thinking.
Yeah, it should just clean right off.
This is like brushed aluminum, as we got this trim in this car. It's actual real aluminum all the way throughout.
Clip, clip, clip. Efficient, smart, efficient.
So next thing that we got to do, now that we got that taken care of, we're not going to make it to the junkyard because it's already like 5 o'clock right now. What time is it?
5 o'clock.
5:04. Just missed it. So we are going to have to take out these seat belts here because they are locked up. Should be pretty simple. Should we drop the top for them? This top is super lightweight because it is carbon fiber. Now usually you could just clip them right into the trunk area, but there's a bunch of crap in the trunk, so we're just going to set it down. Sorry if the fans are a little bit loud, but it is cooling us down a lot, especially with the shade that we got with the tent and the airflow. Man, we haven't even busted a sweat yet, so we are happy with this setup that we got for now. But look at that. That looks awesome, dude. Dude, that interior is just, I love that interior actually, dude. That color is crazy good looking. Dang, the seatbelt is in there, so we're gonna have to take this apart right here.
Yeah, just pop all this off.
Well, we got the first part of it done there.
Yeah, and then this just should pop off. It's all easy, just like every other car. All this stuff is on clips, so just start pulling and popping.
So we're actually gonna have to unbolt this whole entire seat and get it loose just to get to that bolt right there. But it shouldn't be a problem. There's only 4 of them, and we're gonna get it off.
That takes a good minute to take one of these off. That's probably the longest I ever took.
Take off the seat belt.
Just take off the seat belt that I know of. It's a lot of work, but we got it done. We managed to get it out. Now we got to package this up and send it off to a company that repairs this stuff.
All right, so we moved to the complete opposite side of the Corvette, and we're gonna try to take the seat belt off on this side, try to get her done.
No good. Come on. How are you gonna cut a seatbelt? Can you not get out of the car? It's crazy.
Was there a passenger? There must have been a passenger.
There was
or
a
something.
passenger because they cut it. They're probably really old people. Old man got out, pissed off. Old lady couldn't get out, so
He sliced and diced it.
had to slice it for the old lady.
You gotta do what you gotta do.
I mean, I would too if the car's wrecked. You know it's gonna get totaled out.
The joint might have been tight or something, you know what I mean?
We're gonna need to connect the battery, slide the seat up, unscrew the front 2 bolts, and go ahead and pop that little side panel off with the switches and stuff for the seat. We're gonna need to pull it back a little bit and then pull the rest of this seat belt off, and that should be it for today. It's a lot of work, hard work, but we got it.
All right, guys, so we pretty much got the whole rear interior taken apart. Got all the parts back there. Set down real nice, make sure nothing gets scratched up. Went ahead and closed the hood. We got a lot to clean up here, so we're gonna start cleaning up.
So we'll catch you guys tomorrow.
We just got done tearing this car apart, putting a ton of parts on order, figuring a bunch of stuff out that we didn't know that we needed. Some of the major parts are coming in tomorrow, so we're really excited for that, so be sure to hit that notifications button and stay tuned for that. So if you're brand new, be sure to smash that like and subscribe button. Also follow us on Instagram. If you're not doing that, you get the inside scoop there at Goon Squad. Also guys, be sure to check out goonsquad.com if you want to copy some merch and support your boys. Stuff is selling out quick, so be sure to get you something. Thanks to everyone who already supports us on Patreon. If you want to help our channel grow a lot faster, be sure to check the links down below. So I hope you guys are super excited for this build. We are going to bring it back to life before you know it. So stay tuned and we'll catch you next time. Peace.